Okay, in this video, we're going to be looking at how we multiply negative numbers. So multiplying negative numbers. So calculate 3 times 2. 3 times 2 makes 6. Okay, because they're both positive. A positive times a positive makes a positive with a sign. So we got positive 6 plus 6 or just 6. Next up, we have minus 3 times 2. We have a negative times a positive makes a negative as a sign. 3 times 2 is 6, so the final answer reads negative 6 or minus 6. Next up, we have 3 times minus 2, so we got a positive times a negative, makes a negative, so 3 times 2 makes 6, so it becomes negative 6 or minus 6. Finally, we have minus 3 times minus 2. Here, the signs are the same, and I'm multiplying, so it'll be positive 6, okay? So the way to actually remember this is that when the signs are different and I'm multiplying or dividing, it's a negative, it's a minus as a sign. When the signs are the same, okay, and I'm multiplying or dividing, the answer or the sign answer is going to be positive, okay? So 2 negatives multiply to make a positive and 2 negatives divide to make a positive, okay? Next up, we've got 10 times minus 12 is minus 120 because we've got a positive times a negative, okay? So when the signs are different, the answer or the sign answer is going to be negative. Minus 10 times 1.2, that'll be minus 12 or negative 12. 100 times minus 7.13, so we got a positive times a negative, put a negative as a sign. 100 times 7.13, decimal point moves 2 places to the right, so we get minus 713 as our answer. Okay, and here, okay, times it by 10, decimal point moves 1 place to the right, or the digits move 1 place to the left. Finally, minus 100 times 713, sorry, decimal point, yeah, moves 2 places to the right, so that'll be 71.3. One's a negative, one's a positive, so then the sign is going to be negative because the signs are different, okay? So yeah, okay, so, and that is how we multiply with negative numbers, and also the same rules apply when you're dividing with negative numbers, okay? So when the signs are the same and I'm multiplying or dividing, the sign of my answer will be a positive, a plus. When the signs are different and I'm multiplying and dividing, okay, the sign of my answer is going to be negative or a minus, okay? I'm gonna have 2 negatives times together, obviously divide together, we get a positive, okay, and a negative times a positive makes a negative as a sign, so we get that, okay, as our answer.